Good morning, Philippines!
Hi guys, hindi na ako makapaghintay. Aalis na sana ako, tinawagan ako, alam niya talagang aalis ako. Alam niya nga aalis ako kasi I opened the garage, he knows it. Oh my God. Hello?
I'm gonna see car.
Where are you?
I'll tell you.
Where are you, honey?
I'm gonna show you are.
I can't see you.
I can't see you. I can see mine.
It's very poor connection.
You're lying.
Yes, it says poor connection, oh.
Where are you?
I'm going over there.
No. Huh? You're like a brick.
What?
I'm not comfortable with that. You're like leaving the other two all alone.
No, it's too late.
It's not too late. Turn around and go back.
I'm still in the garage.
My life work.
Harder.
Well then.
Han, I cannot. I will call you back. He really is some freak. He doesn't want me to be there. For some reason, he doesn't want me to fucking be there. Now it's snowing. I'm just really worried, Han. I feel like I'm your wife. I need to be there with you.
Yeah. I need you to be there. What's up? Nothing to do here for me. Honestly, really, they can't do nothing.
What do you mean by they can't do nothing?
Yeah, so you say give me a painkillers and don't kill me. What the hell's the point?
And that makes me worried more.
Yeah. I never had nausea before. Now I have nausea from being on this. Whatever it is.
Oh my God. Can you... Okay, I don't want to go there, but call Isabel, please.
Yeah.
To get what you need. It's just ridiculous. Like, now people, like I cannot...
My battery pack with me, so that's why I'm talking on the phone. The extra battery.
I cannot even be with you. It's just ridiculous.
Yeah, that's... There's just nothing to do here.
Okay, please call Isabel. Please call her and tell her you're over there and I cannot even be there because my husband is hard head and then you need something.
There you go. Then I need a charging block. I got the wire. It's a plug block.
I wait here. I will stay in the car.
Don't stay in the car. You know she's gonna go, honey. Even I told her not to because she's around the corner. You know she's gonna come. That's why I've been avoiding calling anybody because they don't want people to like start running down. That's so stupid.
Look at me. I can't. Your wife, it's just like you're telling your wife not to go there. It's like it's really hard for me to sit here and do like.
Yeah, and you got other things to worry about there. You got 4 other things to worry about.
I'm not worried. I'm bringing the dog. They're here.
Yeah, it's not good. And it's snowing and ice. I'm sure it's snowing already. I can't tell from in here, but I'm sure it is.
Can you please let me know what's what, honey, please? I'm so worried. You just...
I told you, as soon as I know anything, I'll tell you. You're not ready.
I know, but let Isabel know, okay?
Yeah, well, I can tell her just to come down and bring a block. I can tell her later.
Okay, I want to know. I want you to text me later, or not even later. I'm waiting for hours here. I want to know.
Too.
I know. But the thing is, I'm not with you. It's just...
I mean, at least they give me a decent painkiller. They're not, they don't sit the way they left it. They give me the garbage.
You cannot see anything to them?
Yeah, I said so. I can't start off right away. That's not enough really. But yeah, every time I'm like, I've been paying for everyone. You're trying to shove garbage down my throat instead of giving me the real stuff. Oh, you God.
Okay, honey.
I feel like I'm in a control group and I'm on the placebos. And I've been asking for like migraine pills for hours. Because of all this. Give me migraines. I ain't got no yet. My blood pressure's through the roof, and they said that's because of the pain. I said, okay, that's great. Oh, God.
I'm sorry, honey.
I'm sorry, bro.
I'm sorry about all this pain you got. Now you have big problem.
Yeah, well, that's where I'm headed. Oh, God.
You go ahead. I just like intense or like thinking what I'm gonna do here. Like nothing.
Do you normally do?
No, I cannot do my thing. I can't do my normal thing.
So what?
I can't do my normal thing.
Why?
Just thinking of like what the fuck am I doing here? Like why I'm not over there?
Well, there's nothing to think about. Just do your normal thing and wait till you get a call. What's the hell's point?
Okay, you go ahead. I love you and please tell Isabel and text me when you tell her already. Oh my god. This is my thing, guys. It started snowing and icy already. It looks icy to me. Oh no, the dogs is over here. Oh god, look at them. Dada tell us not to go. Your Dada is a hard head like you guys. So now I'm going to close this garage and kill the car. Hindi ko ito gustong ganito. Oh my god, hindi ko gusto itong feeling. You don't have any idea. Oh my god, I don't know. It's just, now I'm going back inside. I just don't know. This is too much. Sorry, Roxy Misty. Sorry, Rox. We're going out. Nag-snow na, guys. Hey, kinuha ko. So if I don't really, it's ridiculous. Now I have a reason not to go there. Because nag-snow na. Ito si Tammy talaga. Dahil alam niya nag-open yung garage. Alam niya aalis ako. You're cold? Are you cold? I know. Okay guys, nag-build up na yung snow. Slowly. Oh my God, hindi na talaga ako makaalis. Hi guys. I know. Dito ako sa dilim. Pasensya na guys. Namiss ko lang yung asawa ko. Madilim. Malapit na madilim. Madami pang isno. What are you listening for, Roxy, huh? What are you listening? Nag-alala ako, guys. I feel bad. Wala kasi ako doon. Oh my goodness. Kakausap lang namin. Ang hirap. I feel bad for him kasi masakit pa rin yung ano niya dito, ang gilid. I'm going to shovel early tomorrow. Pasensya na guys, madilim guys. Inano ko to. Hirap guys. Kakausap lang namin. Na ano siya kasi. Ang daming binigay na para pawala sa sakit. Pero naramdaman pa rin daw niya yung sakit. Ewan ko guys, sabi pa ng doktor, malala na daw yung nakikita. Oh my God. Pasensya na guys, damay-damay na to. Gusto ko lang i-document. Gusto ko lang yung mga... Gusto ko sana andun sana ako kung hindi ako nakinig sa kanya this morning. Ngayon hindi ako makaalis. Bukas na lang kasi malakas yung isno sa labas. Mahirap naman naman, disgrasya ako. So, dalawa na kami sa hospital. Anyway, guys. Kausap ko siya and then sinabihan ko na I need to go there early. And I'm going to wake up early. I will try my best to get up and shovel and run over there and call my sister-in-law. And nag-usap kami ng kapatid ni Tami. Andun siya, thank God. Thank God, andun talaga siya. Salamat ako na pinuntahan niya. And it's just so, I don't know. Ganito yun. Iba yung gano'n kasi, yung tao yun guys, siya lang talaga yung parang, yung kapitan ko ba, yung parang siya lahat, yung asawa ko. Ang hirap sana. Hindi ko mag-gets yung naramdaman ko ngayon. At sana ako kasama niya. Hindi man lang ako kasama. There's no stopping anything goodness. Nag-stop na yung isno, guys. Tingnan na natin. Anyway, guys. Hindi na ako magtagal, guys. I-eat ko na itong vlog. Kasi hindi ko na yung naramdaman ko, eh. Nag-isno pa talaga. Oh, it's still snowing, guys. It's still snowing. I can hear. Parang ice naman yun, eh. Oh my God. Okay, let's go inside. Okay guys, I'm going to end this vlog. See you bukas guys. I don't know if kung makapag-vlog. I'm sure mag-vlog naman ako kasi ito naman yung ano ko guys. Parang daily na ko na siya. I will see you tomorrow.